Welcome back everyone. In this video you are going to learn about name range. So let's understand what is name range. A name range in Microsoft Excel is a feature that allows user to assign a unique and a meaningful name to a specific group of cells or a range of data within a workbook. Instead of referring to cells by their traditional cell reference such as A1 to A10, you can create a name range to represent those cells with a unique and a meaningful name that will make easier to understand and work with the data. Name range provides several benefits including improved formula readability, reduced chance of errors, and enhanced data management. They also enable users to create more dynamic and adaptive formulas that will automatically adjust as new data is added or removed from the name range. So let's understand name range with example. As you all know that all peoples have different unique identities. Identity in the form of Aadhaar card, PAN card, mobile number, driving license number, vehicle number, roll number, employee ID. For a product it will be a serial number. As you seen that all the identities are unique for everyone. I have created a list of persons, person 1, person 2 up to the person 8. All persons have different identity in the form of A001, A002 up to A008. I have separated them in a different groups and I have given a group name as data01 and as data02. So as you seen on your screen that all persons have different address and all group of peoples have different unique address. So let's understand name range on Excel workbook. As I told you, each persons have their unique ID and in Excel workbook each cells have their unique address. See, this cell address is A1. How do you find this? Because it is in column A and in row 1. So if you want to give a cell address to a cell range, let me write some data, then I'll explain you. I have written some values, so let's give name range to the range of cells. How do you give name range to the cell range? So let's select the data first, then go to cell address, then give a unique name. Suppose I am giving it a data 1 and press enter. Now it will select as a data 1. When you again select this, it will show data 1. I am going to give name range to other data also. How this name range will work? So let's understand the name range with an example. Suppose if you want to do sum of values, instead of using cell range like A2 to A6, simply you write equals to sum data 1 and it will automatically select the data. Suppose if you want to find the maximum value from the data 2 with the name range equals to max, select data 2 and enter. You will get the maximum value from the data 2. Suppose if you want to count data 3 values, you will use count data 3 and enter. You will find the count of data 3 values. So let's talk about name manager. Name manager is used to manage the name range. You will find the name manager in formulas tab and here you will find the name manager. With this you can edit the name range or you can create new name range or you can delete the name range. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.